How to enable international transactions on HDFC credit card. First of all, open the HDFC mobile banking application on your device. Once the app is open, enter your password and tap on the login button to access your account. After logging in, tap on the three-line menu at the top. From the buy level options, select the Pay section. Now, tap on Cards to view your credit card details. Here it is showing debit card, but in your case, tap on credit card to proceed with these steps. Your HDFC credit card number and account information will be displayed here. Tap on your credit card to proceed. Then, select Show More and tap on Customize to manage card settings. In the Customize section, scroll down until you find the International option. If it is currently disabled, tap on it to enable international transactions. Once enabled, the status will change to enabled. Scroll down and tap on the Confirm button. A new page will appear where you need to tap on Continue. Next, you will be asked to enter your credit card PIN and the card's expiry date. Fill in both details correctly and tap on Continue to proceed. Once the process is completed, a confirmation message will appear stating that international usage has been successfully enabled and the limits for your credit card has been updated. You will also see the updated limit and usage details on the screen. And that's it. Now you know how to enable international transactions on HDFC credit card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.